Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but essential: how to sign into your Samsung account in 2025. Whether you're setting up a new device or just need a quick refresh, this guide will have you logged in and ready to go in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Samsung device handy, like your Galaxy phone or tablet. Start by opening the Settings app. It's that gear icon you see on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. This is where all your account management happens. Now, look for Samsung Account in the list. If you're not signed in, you'll see an option to Add Account or Sign In. Go ahead and tap that. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your Samsung account credentials. That's your email address or phone number associated with your account, followed by your password. Type them in carefully. Double-check for any typos to avoid errors. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which is a great security feature, you'll get a verification code sent to your email or phone. Enter that code when prompted to complete the sign-in process. Once you're in, you might want to review your account settings. For example, in 2025, Samsung has enhanced features like seamless device syncing and personalized recommendations, so take a moment to explore those. If you run into any issues, like a forgotten password, don't worry. Just tap on the Forgot Password link and follow the recovery steps. It's that simple. And there you have it. You're now signed into your Samsung account and ready to enjoy all the perks. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech guides, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.